guys. My hair, I don't hate it, but it's still heavy, you know? So I'm thinking I'm gonna brave doing a little bit more drastic in the wolf cut. You ready? Okay. So, front to crown. Not a lot of talking, just a lot of concentrating. All right, so some of the videos talk about cutting to here and cutting down here. And if I did cut to here, that's still quite a bit. So I'm still gonna be a nervous Nelly and just cut the bare minimum, but go for something more, right? So right there. Here goes nothing. Whether we like it or not, right? Checking my hair. Let's see if I can fix that so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay. Whew. She definitely needs some finessing. Just going for it. What? Right. Taking not a whole lot, because again, trying not to lose too much length here. Can take more later if I need to. This little pony in the front is driving me crazy, guys. Oh man. The first time I cut my hair, it was like at 11 at night. Maybe I'm better at night cutting. This is scary. That was atrocious, you guys. Atrocious. Trying to catch all my hair in a garbage bag at the sink. All right. Wow. That's terrible. That was terrible. What? Really? Right. Oh shit. Yes. We're in it now, guys. We're in it now. We ready to see how bad I did? Ooh. Yeah, there's definitely some trimming that needs to happen here. Let's make sure we're down the middle. Just to take off these little teensy ends here. All right, let's see if you guys can see that. Hopefully not that terrible, right? All right. It's funny, I feel like it doesn't look much different, but there's definitely a little bit more going on here. Trying to do my triangle, guys. Ready to take off a little more? Just final shaping, guys, final shaping. Using all the little pieces of knowledge I have learned about. See, I feel like there's this little chunk here that I'm trying to figure out. All right. It's what it is. It's just hair. It's just hair. It's just hair. It's just hair. It's definitely more in the shag world. We'll see. Worst case, I get this cut off, but we'll see. Hopefully not bad, right? Oh, yeah. I wear my hair straight a lot, so I don't hate it straight. We'll see if I can curl it and make it look like anything, but I was expecting more of this to be shorter, but I'm okay. I did on purpose. We'll see in a minute.